So here we are in front of Santa Clarita City Hall, and I am joined with Christina Jacob from the city's GIS division. Christina, we have a new and improved mapping feature on the city's website.
Yes, we do. It is mapping your city, and we have had versions in the past, but this new and improved version gives the users more functionality, and it really puts the city at residents' fingertips.
Okay, so a lot of people might not know that we had any mapping technology on the city's website, but it's there and it's fully functional, and this is something that is a big help to different people. Who is this helpful to?
This is helpful to residents, either that are currently living in the city or that want to live in the city and want to see different zoning and other information. And it's also helpful to businesses, mainly real estate and developers use this feature a lot to learn more about the city and locations that they might want to be in.
So thanks, Christina. Right now we're going to go upstairs and see exactly how this is done. Okay, so Christina, it's one thing to talk about this, but it's another thing to show us what you're talking about. So right now, this is where residents, business owners would start, and it's on the city's homepage at santa-clarita.com. Take us from there. So if a resident or business owner is going to find out, where do they go from here?
Well, from the city's homepage, you would go to this tab that says Residents, and then click on the City Maps link. And that will take you to our Geographic Information Systems homepage. And you have a couple link options here. To get to the Mapping Your City, you would click on the Interactive Mapping Online.
Okay, Christina, so two of the most popular functions that this mapping system has is one, being able to search a property, and then two, being able to put layers on top of that. So why don't you walk us through how you would search for a property, and just for fun, we'll do City Hall.
Okay, so to search for City Hall, there's a big orange box that says please click here to do your search. Click the arrow next to that, and you have a few different search criterias. Since we know City Hall's address, I'm going to click on the search by property address. And you'll notice this window pops up, and it's actually a search window. So I'm going to put in the address for City Hall. Once I found the address, make sure you highlight it and then click search.
Okay, and there we are. So we see a picture of our image from aerial photography, and then to the left of that we see some specific information.
Yes, this is specific information. It gives you all of the information about that particular property. But this window can also turn into the layers window. And the way to show all of the layers is you can click at the top or at the bottom. Clicking either button will get you to show map layers, and we'll turn this window into the layers window. To actually see the layers that we have available, we have different subjects basically. So if you are looking for information that can be found in planning, make sure you click the plus icon next to the heading of planning, and you can see all of the layers that we have available.
Okay, so you've pulled up some of the layers here for planning, so I can see some of the things that I'm sure are of use to many people in the city are zoning. So they want to know what a particular property is zoned for.
Yes, you would just click on the checkbox next to zoning. And if you'd actually like to see what each color means, you can click right next to zoning. There's a little, it looks like little lines. Click on that and it will expand and show you the legend. So you will be able to see the legend and the symbols for this particular layer.
Right, so if you're looking at a particular property, whether it's a business, you can find out if it's zoned for commercial or industrial or whatever you're looking for.
Correct.
Christina, I want to thank you for joining us. If you're out there, there's a lot of great functionality on the city's website. You can customize your own maps, whether you're a resident or a realtor. Go to the city's homepage at santa-clarita.com, choose the tab for residents, and go to City Maps.